All right, so I've got this 115 horsepower Evinrude outboard motor that I need to put onto my boat, and I've got no way to lift it. And I thought maybe I'd attach some 2x4s to the ceiling in my garage and hope that the trusses can handle that load, and then back the boat in here, take the old motor off, put the new motor back on, but I don't know if that's gonna work. So I looked at what else I could do, and I guess I could buy myself an engine hoist for 500 bucks. I'm gonna use once. But that didn't seem like a good solution. So what I'm gonna do is I built this stand here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna build myself a gantry out of wood. So I'm not considering this a how-to because I've got no way to load test this thing. My success is going to be if I can lift this 400-pound engine and it doesn't collapse on me, it's successful. But you know, if you're going to follow what I do, then okay. So this is going to be one of my do it at your own risk support beams. So what I did is I cut it 3.5 inches off the top. So later on, when the cross member goes on, they're going to be 3 of them, one on each side, and then third one in the middle, and like that, they're going to be load bearing onto the 2x4. So I'm not worried about bolt strength. I'm more worried about the strength of the wood is reinforcing it. So you can see how they're supposed to fit in here. This is the vertical support. That's the horizontal beam. That's how they fit in. I'm going to square it, drive some screws in there, and then put a triangular support in there. Okay, I added some 3/8 plywood, 1 foot by 1 foot, and I cut it at an angle and I put that in so it's nice and square. Means it won't be as easy to take apart, but it'll be a lot sturdier. I'll have to think of something for the feet, maybe to some space saving or something, but we'll see. So that's that. Okay, so now for the feet. I wanted to 4 feet long, but 8-footer 2x4s were quite a bit more expensive than just the studs. So I'm going to cut them to 46 5/8, and that should be right in the middle. And so I'm going to be 2 inches shy, an inch on each side. I don't think that's going to compromise much. So I'm going to cut 2 of these down so I'll have them doubled up on each side, and then see what it looks. Maybe I'll put another third beam in the middle. And where I am, I'm repurposing where I can. I'm repurposing some wood. Okay, so I put the feet in like that, and then I screwed together 2 2x4s, and I'm putting them in between the legs to brace them together. All right, and I took my last 2x4 and I cut it down into 4 equal lengths and made myself these supports. So those I'm going to screw in now. All right, I bought myself some 3-inch casters. They're about 14 bucks each. And I put them on there with some 1/4-inch lag bolts. All right, and there it is in the garage. It is so tall it'll knock into my garage door opener. So I have limited mobility in it, and I was aware of that. But I wanted something that was a little taller. The wheels are on, and the car just barely fits in between there. So I guess I could have made it a couple inches wider, but that's the way it goes, I guess. All right, well, thanks for watching. Like I said, this is not a tutorial how for you to do it. This is what I built. And we'll have to see whether or not it can hold the engine, but I think the way I built it, it should withstand quite a bit of weight. So thanks for watching.